During our recent trip to Coorg, we stayed at Dubare Elephant Camp by Jungle Lodges and Resorts. As part of the stay, they offer multiple activities, and one of the main activities include the interaction with elephants in the camp. This activity starts at around 9 a.m. in the morning of your second day stay, and it's one of the most exciting part of the stay. If you have kids staying with you, trust me, this would be one of the best memories that you could give. Also, it's equally exciting for the adults. When we reached the spot at around 9:30 a.m., a couple of elephants were taking bath already, and we waited for them to leave and then entered a jumbo. It slowly climbed down the steps and entered into the River Kaveri, an important river which connects two South Indian states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Elephant went slightly deep into the river to drink some clean water, as the water by the bank was sandy due to the bath taken by previous elephants. All of the tourists, including us, were waiting eagerly for the elephant to come back so we could touch the elephant and have an interactive session filled with memories. In India, elephants are more than animals. They are symbols of wisdom, strength, and devotion. To see them cared for in such a natural setting by the banks of River Kaveri is an experience that connects you to heritage and nature alike. After drinking liters of water, caretaker brought the elephant near the guests, and as you can see, all the tourists were trying to touch the elephant and splash water on him. At this point of time, there were a lot of people, so we went to a watchtower kind of area after enjoying for a few minutes with the elephant. After the elephant took bath, it started spraying water on the tourists as part of next activity. Upon seeing him, my son got excited and he wanted to experience it, and I did not want to stop him either and told him to go ahead. He took the camera as well and filmed it. We believe that it would be a lifetime memory for him. I would let you watch it yourself without the voiceover.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಚುಪ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಚುಪ್ 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 ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಜೋರ್ 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 ಜೋರ್
After this, the crowd at the site was largely reduced, and then came a big Tusker, and now I took my little daughter as well to enjoy. Look at the big Tusker coming towards us for an everlasting memories to be created. He came near us and laid down on the side gently. These elephants are well trained and are very gentle, so it's completely safe to have fun with them.
వెయిట్ చేయండి ముందరగా ఉండు ఉండు ముందర.
We had around 4 people ahead of us, and we waited for them to complete.
చూడు చూడు విశ్వన్ నీకేం చెప్తాను నేను దగ్గర పోతాను మృత్యుడి
Our kids enjoyed the most with this elephant by cleaning the tusks and touching him as the crowd was very less. After this, there was another exciting session with the elephants, but before that, we had to go back to our room to take shower and change. From the room, we came back to the elephant camp, and there were more than 25 elephants at the camp at that point of time. These elephants were mostly rescued. At the camp now, you can feed these elephants. This was the next step. Caretakers prepare a portion of the feed with rice, grass, and paddy. In the later part of the video, we have shown how they make it. We can buy each portion of the feed for around just 50 rupees and give it to the elephants. Even if we don't buy, they are going to give these to the elephant anyways. We spent around 30 minutes here. All these elephants in the camp looked happy and healthy, though they were chained, which we thought is needed for the safety of the caretakers and also the public. Even if you're not staying at jungle resorts, you can directly visit the camp. It's open from 9 a.m. in the morning till 11 or 11:30, and also it opens around 4 p.m. in the evening till 5 or 5:30, I believe. So in that you cannot have the bathing session with the elephants, but you can visit the camp and feed them. Let me show you how the caretaker makes this portion of the meal for elephant. At first he takes a bunch of grass and then makes a hole in it to fill it with generous amounts of paddy grains. Paddy grains are the ones which are processed to get rice. So they do this process to fill it in the grass because by using this method the grains are not wasted. The main idea is to give the grains to elephants. If we directly give the grains to elephants spill most of them and it gets wasted. So they put it inside the grass so that the grains are not wasted. If you ever visit Coorg, this Dubare Elephant Camp should be definitely part of your list. It's not mandatory for you to stay at the facility because Jungle Lodges and Resorts provides one-day package for 2,000 rupees per person, which includes a nature walk, breakfast, and elephant interaction at the camp. If you like this video, do let us know in the comments and share with your friends. In the next video, we will provide more details of the stay and our visit to the Tibetan monastery in Coorg. Until then, goodbye.
Don't give.